What is up, guys? Blogsdom here, and in today's video I would like to share with you 5 side hustle ideas to make money online with no skills. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get straight into the video. So the first side hustle idea I would like to share with you is creating a YouTube channel or a blog website. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Having a YouTube channel right now is one of the biggest achievements you can ever dream of. As you can see, I have my own channel right now and I'm making money out of this channel, and not just through YouTube but through affiliate programs and stuff like that. And also as well, you need to create your own website along with it. And like you all know, I have my own website, which is blogsdom.com. Alright, so the question is, how can you make money with YouTube? To be able to make money on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the first 12 months. And once you have these requirements, all you have to do is to apply for the YouTube monetization. You're gonna be making money out of your channel. YouTube is a big deal right now, so you need to think about it, okay? And just imagine the number of times you come to YouTube to watch tutorials. You can also create your own channel and make money out of it. All right, the second side hustle I would like to share with you is affiliate marketing. So for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is basically referrals. Okay, so you refer a product, and when you make a sale, you get a commission. The number one affiliate marketing program you can relate to is Amazon. All right, so when you come to Amazon, you have to go straight down to the bottom, become an affiliate. You just click on it, you go through it, and you can sign up. And this is not the only affiliate program out there. You can try Walmart. All right, Walmart is good too. You have ClickBank out there, Digistore24. But with Digistore24 and ClickBank, you don't require any website or social media link or whatsoever. You can just apply and boom, you are in. And there's another one called Share a Sale. All right, guys, I really like this. Okay, and it's cool. They don't fail on their payment. But with affiliate marketing, you need to have multiple income streams, because one is not enough. I have another one here. This is called Builder All. You can use it to create landing pages, website, and email marketing. I just want to show you this, not to brag or anything, but just to motivate you about affiliate marketing. This is my dashboard, and as you can tell, I have this amount sitting up there right now as earning. At the same time, I have pending to be paid, and this is available, you can withdraw. All right, so this is just to motivate you, all right, about affiliate marketing. And there are so many programs out there that you can join. The best way to do this is if you're interested in a product, or there's a particular product that you use a lot, just come to Amazon and search for it and see if you can promote it. Create a YouTube channel and review that product, or write a blog article, which is what most of these companies prefer. Okay, the way you're gonna market it is up to you. All right, so the third side hustle idea I would like to share with you is freelancing. And the best platform for freelancing is Fiverr. Okay, so first of all, I would like to show you the page. So this is the home page of Fiverr. So these are the popular services at the moment: website design, WordPress, logo design, and drop shipping. So you can pick any of these, create a gig about it, and make money out of it. Trust me, this is a big deal. As you can see up here, you have graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, and the list goes on. All right, so for instance, let's say I want to search about logo design. So you just have to click on it, or just come up here and type logo design, search it. All right, so these are some of the sellers. I will do 2 creative, unique, professional business logos for $37.92. The list goes on, okay? But these are a bit expensive, but trust me, you can get even $5. So to sort it by pricing, you just have to click on budget, $5 to $15, then click apply. All right, so when you scroll down, so let's say this is you, okay? I'll do any graphic, image, and logo design, photo editing for $6.32. Okay, but of course Fiverr will take their cut. All right, so let's say if you make $5 sale, they will take $1 out of it. All right, so that's how it works. And to be able to design these graphics, so you go to Canva. See right here, they have the template already. If not, you're gonna click here and type in logo, but we have it here already, so you can click on it. Alright, so as you can see here, they have logo ideas. Alright, so let's use this. So you're gonna click on it and boom, it's gonna just show up here. So let's say you're gonna design a product for a security website, or alright, so let's pretend this is your design. So after when you are done, what you're gonna do, you just have to name it, click here and name it to fit the customer's brand name or whatever name they want. Then you come here, up here, and click download. Then you click download and you just submit to the customer. All right, and you can make money out of it. This is not the only way. You can even design YouTube thumbnails, video editing, graphic design, and stuff like that. Okay. All right, so the fourth side hustle I would like to share with you is print on demand. Print on demand is creating custom t-shirts and clothing lines and stuff like that, and create your own logo and just put on it, and you don't have to touch anything. Because for example, Printify will be dealing with the customer. Everything will be relayed online, and they're gonna deal with the shipping and everything. And at the end, you're gonna get your money. Okay, so like I show you, Canva, for instance, you can go up there and just design your logos. There are so many brands out there, but this is one of the best right now. Redbubble is one of the competitors. We have Teespring, Zazzle, and stuff like that, but it's up to you. You have for bottles, you have for masks. I like the phone business because a lot of people like nice design for their phone cases. So this is the right side hustle to get into. And trust me, you'll make a lot of money, man. And look at this one for carbs and even for textbooks and stuff like that. Tim Oxford selling for $30.88. Print on demand is really good. If you are looking for a side hustle, trust me, I will advise you to go into it. So the last but not least side hustle I would like to share with you is selling stock photos and videos. So many companies out there, but I like these two, which is Pexels and Pixabay. First of all, you have to sign up and upload free images. When people download, then you offer them other images that you are selling or videos. So let's say you want this image. Okay, so you click on it. Okay, so this one is free, but when you scroll down, but let's say if you want view more, and boom, now to the business side of it. When you try to click one of them, $26, all right, and the list goes on 3 credits. All right, so now you can tell how they get people to buy their images. So let's go here. So if you're a photographer, this is the best. The best thing about this side also, you don't deal with physical product, mailing it to customers and stuff like that. No, everything is online, so you don't touch anything. I hope you really like it, and if you're interested in it, you can check it out and sign up. If you want to know more about these things, just check more tutorials on YouTube about them. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. I wish you all the best. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.